Next one is fluid connective tissue or the vascular tissue. The tissue has plasma and specialized free cells which float in the plasma. Now see, in bracket I have written here ground matrix. Okay, what is the plasma here? Ground matrix, we all know that in case of connective tissue, in the intercellular spaces the fluid portion is there, that is called the matrix. Here in case of fluid connective tissue, the name of matrix is plasma. Okay, and the cells, free cells which are present in that tissue is termed as corpuscles. Now the example of fluid connective tissue or the vascular tissue are blood and lymph. These two are the vascular tissues. Vascular tissue plays an important role in the defense and the transportation in the body. Okay, so first role, it is the transportation in the body, and it also provides the defense mechanism of the body. So transportation means we all know that the nutrient which we are taking by food, that is only transported by this fluid connective tissue to the different part of the body. And defense, some of the blood cells or the corpuscles are there which are giving protection against the microbes, against the foreign particles which are harmful for our body. Now first one is blood. Blood is a red color fluid tissue. Its fluid matrix is called plasma. It functions to transport oxygen and nutrients to various parts of the body. It takes waste material such as carbon dioxide from the tissue and release into the lungs and other excretory organs. Okay, so we all know blood is a red colored fluid tissue. The matrix of blood is termed as plasma. What is its function? Basically two functions here given. The main function, first one, it transports the oxygen and the nutrients to various parts of the body, and it takes waste material, means parts of body, means in each cell it is transporting the oxygen and nutrient, and with the help of the nutrient, after the metabolic processes in each cells, the excretory products are also forming. So those products, so those waste materials such as carbon dioxide from the tissues and release into the lungs and other excretory organs. Blood is specialized tissue which is composed of different types of cellular and matrix components. So first one is plasma, and what are the cellular components here? Red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. Okay, now what is the plasma? It is an aqueous solution with a complex composition. About 55% of total volume of the blood is plasma, and 30 to 35 of the total extracellular fluid is plasma. Now plasma contains both soluble and insoluble constituents. The soluble constituents include various electrolytes, ions, other substances formed during the metabolism, hormones and vitamins. Okay, and the insoluble constituents are albumins, globulins, fibrinogen and various enzymes. Okay, now next one is corpuscles. As I said that corpuscles or blood cells can be classified into three types: red blood corpuscles or RBC, white blood corpuscles or WBC, and the platelets. Okay, nearly 55% of total volume of blood is plasma, and the rest is mostly made up of electrolytes, and leukocytes and platelets account for than 1% of the volume. Now what is the function of the blood? Blood transports all the essential substances that are required by the body. What I said, that nutrients and oxygen. RBCs carry oxygen to the tissue for the production of energy with the reaction of food materials. WBCs fight against disease and destroy foreign bodies, and blood platelets help in clotting of blood from the injury portion, not in the blood vessels. Okay, blood platelets helps in clotting of blood in the injury portion. If there is a cut in your body, then after some time it will form a clot. Okay, So that is only the function of blood platelets. Now the next one is lymph. Lymph is a colorless fluid due to absence of RBCs and RBCs. WBCs are found abundantly in lymph for the defense of the body. So lymph is helping in defense of the body. Function: lymph plays an important role in defense system or immune system of the body. It protects from the infection. So WBC is not present in the lymph. Okay. Difference between RBC and blood and lymph is important.